EDU226 Pecha Kucha Summary. Great controversy surrounds the question of whether human augmentation and digital technology is a positive or negative development for humanity. Greenfield argues that digital technology is altering humans, but the human brain is under threat within the modern world. With all the technology around us, Greenfield says it's impossible for our humanity not to be altered. However, Przensky says the students of today have changed radically and are becoming harder to educate for what the educational system was designed to teach. Therefore, this can suggest that the major development of digital technology within society has led to students of newer generations to think and interpret information differently. Digital technology can be seen to have impacted the lives of many individuals since the 90s onwards. It's been around for most of our lives and has determined who is therefore a digital native or digital immigrant. Technology is developing further every day and can be seen to be taking over how we adapt to life by the way we act and think. Post-humanism seeks to rewrite the very definition of being human. The largest ethical issue immediately raised when considering the merits of such augmentation is, should human beings enhance themselves and further generations? This is a simple surrounding question of whether humans have augmented and enhanced themselves throughout recorded history. Transhumanism has been described by one critic as the world's most dangerous idea, while one has countered this and said it's the movement that emphasizes the most daring, courageous, imaginative, and idealistic aspirations of humanity. So therefore, the question still remains, is digital technology and augmentation positive or negative when it comes to developing humanity? When it comes to digital technology, there are many positives and negatives that come with this. It can work in a positive way as it allows for people to stay connected with the people and get in touch with them faster and more frequently. Also, technology can provide a way for individuals to change beyond their physical and mental issues by allowing them who are suffering from mental conditions to be offered the highest level of medical practice through human augmentation. However, technology taking over our lives can be a negative impact as it's caused young people to lack in important skills because of the addictive nature of technology. Our lives have become increasingly immersed in technology, but much of our communication is now online. Much of our leisure and entertainment is provided by the internet and video games, and many of us find our mobile phones have become an essential part of our connectivity and everyday organisation. With these changes in lifestyle, the questions are arising about what technology may be doing to us. Overall, there can be seen that there are many positive and negative impacts of digital technology and augmentation. Even though there are many negatives, technology will remain a part of human life and will continue to develop as the years go on and become more advanced in keeping developing of humanity. Overall, the positives can be seen to outweigh the negatives and will allow new ways of communicating as a way of helping with illness, physical disabilities, and can help make people become better educated than ever.